First, download Open Video Downloader. Once it's finished downloading, go ahead and open it up. Then go to YouTube and find a video that you would like to watch during your session. When you have found the video you want, copy the link. Paste it in the bar in Open Video Downloader and hit the plus button. Next, select the video quality you desire and hit the download button to the right. Once the video is finished downloading, open up the NeurOptimal program. Begin a session. Click the music note, then click the folder button. Find your video in your folders. Double-click it. Then click the drop-down list to the left of the music note, select your video, and your video will begin playing as your feedback for the session.